Hey everybody, Brandon here from CAD Intentions, and in today's 2-Minute Tuesday, I'm going to show you guys a quick trick to fix missing dialog boxes. Most common is the Save As or Open dialog box, but this command also affects a few others within the program. Hopefully I'm going to stick to under the 2 minutes because this is a super quick command or trick that you should know. So if we type in Open or Save As on the command line, and you get text in your command line like this instead of the dialog box, and you can see it's doing it as well for Save As well as a few other commands. To turn this back on so that you get your file dialog boxes, you're simply going to type in File, DIA for dialog, and hit enter. You want to turn this to, or switch this value to 1 for on, and that should fix your issues. So now if we type in open, it's going to bring up the standard open dialog box. Same for Save As, and there you go. Definitely under 2 minutes. Hopefully this saved or helped some of your frustrations. I know I've been asked this a few times by people, and it's a weird bug. Occasionally it'll happen on updates or installs. I've seen it happen just randomly as well. File dia or file dialog is the fix. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all my new content. I put out videos roughly once a week, as well as post to the blog, cadintentions.com. And one last thing, don't forget to check out my AutoCAD ebook. It's full of a bunch of cool productivity tips and tricks. I'll put the link in the description below. Cheers. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to check out my last video right here. And don't forget to subscribe up here to make sure you're up to date and you see all my new videos. Thanks again. Cheers.